In this video, I will show you how to create a birthday list from Google Contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, you will then see a list of all your contacts. To start inputting the dates, click on a contact you want to add a birthday to. It will then open a more detailed view of the contact with the full information. From here, click on the Add Birthday button. It will then open the main edit page. Scroll down until you see the birthday tabs. In these fields, you can now accurately add the birth date of the contact, including the year if you wish, or just the month and day. Once done, remember to click on Save at the top right part of your screen to commit these changes. You can now then repeat this process on your other contacts, ensuring all relevant people have their birthday data recorded. Now for the organization step. In your main board, on the left-hand side of your screen, click on the Labels section. This is where you will create your monthly list. Click the option to create a new label, and as an example in here, name it April Birthdays. You can now then see in your labels or filter who has birthdays for the labels. To manually assign a contact to this new group, return to your main contact list. Click on a contact, then find the option to Add Label, and select April Birthdays for them to be part of the labels. Once you add them, whenever you click on the labels of birthday in the left sidebar, the filtered list of contacts having birthdays that month will now show instantly, simplifying your yearly planning. And that's how to create a birthday list from Google Contacts.